Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm Chris.
And I'm Kelvin.
And we are back with another episode of Arrusted Development. 2 guys, 2 minutes, talk rust.
I think we should get into it.
Let's just do it. Let's get into it.
Now, the story of rust. And the 2 guys who talked about it in 2 minutes. It's Arrusted Development. It is so great to see your smiling faces, and today we have a fantastic episode to talk about rust preventative liquid.
And we're not really just talking about the beer that we've made in the past.
No.
We're talking about dry coat. Before I get ahead of myself, we should put 2 minutes on the clock. So dry coat is great whether you're a consumer or whether you're one of our Fortune 500 companies that trusts dry coat for rust prevention, because it creates a very thin layer, almost non-existent layer, on the metal surface that won't attract dust and it won't impact any stamping, grinding, and best of all, welding. It's water-based, it's clean, safe, and easy, and it contains our Do they know about our VCI yet?
You know, that's an excellent point. If you don't know what VCI nanotechnology is, definitely go check out our other Arrusted Development episode called What the Hell is VCI, where we talk about the nuts and bolts of VCI, and you can learn all about that there. But let's keep going.
Absolutely. So dry coat contains that very VCI that you should have learned about in episode 1 that will emit into the pack and protect metal parts for much longer because it's simply present there. Again, best of all, it is clean, safe, and easy to use.
But moving right along, let's talk about the real prize pony of the show, which in my opinion is Weather Warrior.
Absolutely. But let's take a quick timeout. Now remember, dry coat indoor, 12-month protection. Weather Warrior outdoor, 9-month protection. Now Weather Warrior creates an ironclad umbrella from Mother Nature's elements. I mean, I'm talking snow, rain, salt water, the sun, frost, anything that you're going to experience outdoors, Weather Warrior is going to shield your metal from it. Now the best part is it's clean, it's safe, and say it with me, it's easy, just like all of our other products. Now yeah, I get that sound a little infomercially, but I get a little excited when I start talking about Weather Warrior. Spray it on, if you dip it, if you brush it on, it doesn't matter. It comes off very easily with an alkaline cleaner, and it's gonna be a beautiful, pristine looking piece of metal when you're done with it.
So those are Armor's 2 rust preventative liquid solutions. And if you haven't heard of Armor or you haven't heard of these products before seeing this video, then chances are you've run into some rust happening on your metal parts. Well, we have 2 additional products that are fantastic at removing rust from metal. It doesn't harm the paint on the metal, it doesn't harm any plastic pieces that might be with the metal, it doesn't harm the metal itself at all. And those 2 products are Metal Rescue Bath and Metal Rescue Gel.
Here we have some Metal Rescue Bath. We don't have the gel because I need to fit my beer on the table, and quite frankly, that's a little more important to me. So Metal Rescue Bath is a water-based product. The vast majority of it is water, and you might be thinking to yourself, how is water going to remove rust? Shouldn't that make it worse, right? You're thinking it, but that's not the case. With Armor's technology, we are able to remove the rust from the metal part using chelation. And chelation is really just a fancy word for saying that it's being picked off physically. And once it's physically picked off, you have a part that looks something like this. You can see where this whole part was rusted, and you can see right here where the rust line starts and stops. This was where the Metal Rescue Bath was poured up into. Above it, complete rust, and below it, spanking clean part.
Spanking clean part.
So that's it. Metal Rescue Bath is basically magic.
It really is. And that's just, again, one of our many products that prevent and remove rust. And this is Arrusted Development, 2 guys, 2 minutes, talk rust. And today's episode was Armor's liquid solutions on preventing and removing rust. Thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button. We'll see you next week.
Bye.